Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Basal Filter Coffee Traveller. Now this is available on our website at thebasicbarista.com, and they make a couple other coffee related products. We also stock the Bequino at the moment, the digital scales, and yeah, let's take a look. Awesome, so we've just got this cardboard with all of the instructions and a little bit more information. Now this is a really high quality made product. It's got a really durable zip. This thing is going to last. You can tell it's really made quite well. So the zip is on the external, it's not on the inside with a case. Instead, it's almost like it's reversed. We've got the Basal logo. Now this was designed in Paris or France. Cool, so yeah, it's about the size of a large lunchbox, I'm going to say. It's not too big, but it's kind of perfect for what we're going to be using it for. Now, this is first of all, this is a sleeve for your filters, or it could be used for other small things. And then we've got three kind of compartments, or really we've got one big compartment with these little separators. These are kind of similar to what you'd find in like a camera gear bag. Now, one thing that's a little bit different is that this one's got a cute little sleeve, and it's also got this card on it. But yeah, this sleeve is perfect for again, other small little things, as well as your crank, and if you're going to put your hand grinder in. So let's just see what fits. So I've got my AeroPress Go here in the cup, which is probably the widest out of all. It fits in everything quite easily. We've got the Comandante grinder, which again fits with ample amount of room. Nice. Cool. And with the crank, you can easily put that. Let's see if it fits in here. Let me give it trouble. Okay. Maybe you could use that for filters if you're using the AeroPress. But yeah, I mean, at no disadvantage, that can still absolutely fit comfortably in there with room to spare. Nice. And we've also got the fellow Atmos 0.4 liters. Nice. So this is all very cushiony, kind of fits nicely in here. You could even fit some coffee beans. We got some room to spare. Okay, so the Comandante, I'd say, is the largest grinder that we currently stock. We also have the Rhino gear. I don't have that with me right this moment, but yeah, if it fits a Comandante, it'll definitely fit the Rhino gear. Same goes for the AeroPress Go. This is wider than the widest part of the original AeroPress, so if this is going to fit, an AeroPress will absolutely fit. Alright, cool, so I've just got my glass 1.2, so as you can see, like I was saying before, they're the same diameter, but the height is different. So this is the largest one. Not sure why you'd take it, but yeah, cool. That actually fits in the compartment like that. So if you needed to, you absolutely could take that large amount of beans at no disadvantage. Awesome. So yeah, it's really cool because yeah, it's designed specifically for coffee gear in mind. That sleeve is really cool because you can, I always have smaller sort of filters and little tools that I'll need to take along with me. And just having this as well as this is large enough to fit the V60 filters, which makes it perfect for traveling with. It's also really nicely made. It's got this beautiful handle up here. The exterior is, I believe it's linen that's had some wax treatment to it, so it makes it a little bit waterproof or water resistant. Nice lining, heavy duty zip, even the zipper itself branded. Look, this is a really nice product. We're currently selling it for $60, and we also have some other options as well, to include some other coffee gear and just give you a little bit more value, and you can save by bundling that way. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. This is a great product, and yeah, if you have any questions or just general questions about coffee gear, shoot us a comment down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.